Here we are at Tebet Eco Park, one of the newest parks in Jakarta, renovated, and we are going to take a look today. You need to register here. That's what I did. Let's see if it's checked. I don't think so. No, not really. Those are things you can't do here. No smoking, no sitting on statues, no drinking, no alcohol, no skating, no. And the playground's only for those under 12. Understood. This is the northern part. There is the bridge to cross to the southern part, which we will do later. Those trees over there are really nice trees because they have different colors on their skin. What I notice here is that the water isn't clean, but that's something you can't really control up here. But everything else is really clean. Over there is not too much to see. So let's walk south to the bridge and cross it. Playground for the kids. I can't play here because I'm over 12. It's a little bit sad. This swing I would like to try one. The views here are nice, I have to say. Everything is okay. Really happy it's clean. It's pretty clean for what I expect from a city park in Jakarta. That's really good. Of course, people are still eating here while they shouldn't, but that's something else. It's not for me to enforce. Another of those smelly streams, but this one has a little fish in it. That's the infinity bridge, as they call it, in the form of an infinity symbol, to cross the main road right over there. That's better here, the sun from the front. We are now approaching the infinity bridge that will bring us to the southern part. There are some statues of otters down there. I'll show you when slightly up there. There is a monitor lizard swimming around there. I think you can see it, otherwise I'll zoom in. Another monitor lizard is, I think it's a biawak, small type. And those are the statues of the otters. Those are broken. Broken already. Most of the park is south of the bridge. Crossing the main road here. Well, main road, it's a one-way street, but still. Vendors are no longer allowed inside the park, so this is what you get here. Visitors of the park will just walk up to them and then fly over the fence. This area has some trees over it, which makes it actually pretty nice to walk, even in the heat of day. It's just after 1 o'clock in the afternoon here now. It's Saturday afternoon here. It's just after 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I have to be careful where I'm walking. But I don't have the feeling it's very crowded. Most likely because most people think you still have to register, which is apparently not the case anymore. A dirty river, smelly though, and patches of grass you can hang around. It's more to see over there. Apparently this park won some awards. Won an award in Singapore a while back. I'm not really sure why, to be honest. It's just a city park, but oh well. It'll probably bring in some people, that's good. Looks a little bit like a proper garden. It's not too much rain. It's dry season has started roughly a week ago, but it's still green enough. People are sitting on the grass. It's yeah, one of the better parks I've seen here in Jakarta. So right over there is the children's playground, and the shortcut bridge to it is closed. So we'll have to walk around for a bit. This is the southern entrance, I think, which is also open for public. All in all, it looks pretty neat. This is also the entrance that is closest to any public transport, because right over there is the entrance to the LRT, and the train is roughly there, train station, Pet Park. You can play with you can bring your cat here. But no one brought their animal yet. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. Not too shabby at all. If the water was cleaner, it would be even better. Most entrances, like the most ideal one to get to the train station, are closed. And they are really closed with a proper lock. So the huge playground is right over here. No smoking, that's good, but I saw someone smoking already, of course. And these are giant ants. Don't sit on them. But they look really cool, really big look. As this little stream here is rain-fed, once it rains, you're recommended not to stay too close to it, as water levels can rise quickly. So these grassy paddies here between the plants and the river are used for having lunch or chit-chatting or being touchy. And right on the edge of the parks, at least along Jalan Raya Tebet, they are working hard on putting in some pavements. I found some booths though that sell snacks and drinks. That's good. Coincidentally, there's also near a main entrance, or the main entrance. So I'll get something to drink first before I'm heading out. Ooh, merchandise.